Welcome to AER Int channel, and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show the tool Cut with Surface. So here we have two bodies, and here we have two surfaces. And now we want to cut this body with those surfaces. So let's go to Surfaces tab, and here we have Cut with Surface tool. So we have a tab here, and here we have to choose a surface to cut. So let's first choose the surface here. And now we can see the direction of the cut here with this arrow. So this part above the surface will be cut. We can also change our direction. We can flip cut. And now this part below this surface will be cut. Now let's make the arrow pointing up the surface. And now let's click OK. And we got this. Sometimes if we simply select a downward cut direction using auto select, an error may occur. In my view, this happens because the Solidworks algorithm performs a global calculation, taking into account adjacent cylinders or interpreting the cut direction across multiple bodies, which triggers the error notification. The reason why manual selection works is that by selecting the body manually, we restrict the Solidworks feature scope. We're essentially telling the system's algorithm, hey Solidworks, perform the cut and projection calculation only on this cylinder body. Ignore all other solid bodies located below or around it. If we go here, and we hide this plane, the surface, we see our remaining body takes a shape of the surface body. Now let's go to our surface extrude 1, and let's show. Let's show the surface, and let's go to surface cut 1. Edit feature. We can also go here and change direction. Let's go to this one. And let's click OK. And now we have this part remained. Now let's go to our second part here. And now we see that the surface doesn't go through an entire body. Now let's try to cut this body with this surface. So let's go to Cut with Surface. Let's choose this surface. Let's leave direction as it is to this side. Let's cut this portion of this body. And let's click OK. And we see this is not possible. And this is not possible because the surface doesn't go through the entire body. So we have to keep that in mind, that in Cut with Surface, our surface has to go through the entire body if we want to cut a body, as we have here on this first part. So now let's go back. We have the surface. Let's go edit sketch. Now let's move this point to here, like this. Let's click OK. Exit sketch. Let's go with Cut with Surface. Let's use this surface, this direction, and let's click OK. And now this is possible. We can also cut with one surface for two or more bodies. So let's go to front plane. Let's go to sketch. Let's choose a spline. And let's create our spline. And let's create here spline like this. Like this. And let's go to surfaces. Extruded surface. Let's go with mid plane. Like this. Let's increase here. Like this. And now we see that the surface goes through body 1 and to body 2. Now let's try to cut those two bodies with one surface. So let's go with Cut with Surface. And here we have selected this surface. Here we have direction. And here we can choose which bodies do we want to cut or keep. So we can go with all bodies, or we can go with selecting bodies as I said before. Now let's uncheck auto select. And let's choose this body for example. And now let's click OK. And now we only cut this body. If we go back, let's click here. And we can also choose this body here. Now let's click OK. And now we cut this result. So this is how we can work with the tool Cut with Surface. The main thing is our surface has to go through the entire body, and we can cut with 1, 2 or more surface bodies. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.